So here's how to create ebook for Amazon KDP. First of all, you need to open up the website pictochart.com, and as you can see, I'm already here. Once you're here, scroll through these options and look for, then select ebook. After that, select type your topic or paste text or upload file. Make sure that ebook is selected. Now, in the content section, type in your title or your topic. After that, if you have any additional instructions, you can type it in right over here. Make sure to give clear instructions if you're giving any. And once done, just go ahead and click on Generate eBooks on the bottom right. After that, you'll be taken to this page. And as you can see, your book is now being created. You'll be able to view and edit different elements or sections of your ebook. So go through the pages and make your necessary changes. Then, click on Save and Edit ebook on the top right corner. You will then be taken to the editor page. From here, you can customize it further or use the options on the top to download or share your ebook. So I will click on Download and click on Download PNG. After that, let's head over to kdp.amazon.com. Then, just sign into your account and go over to Publish, and your newly created ebook is ready for publishing. And that is exactly how to create ebook for Amazon KDP.